morning, scholars. I hope you are studying well. So, shall we start with a new topic? In the previous video, we saw closed curves and open curves, and in the closed curves, we saw simple closed curves. What we saw? We saw simple closed curves and non-simple closed curves. And in a simple closed curves, we saw three types. Yes, line segment wala simple closed curves, then curves line wala simple closed curves, and line and curved lines wala simple closed curves. Okay, so today we are going to see certain geometrical terms. Geometrical terms means geometrical, you can say certain definitions. Fine. So first of all is point. Point, as you know, it is a dot. Okay. Now what is exact definition? It is an exact location on a plane surface is called as a point. Exact location matlab exact position on a plane surface matlab a flat surface I can say is known as a point. Fine, it is an exact point. Okay, and it is denoted by a capital letter. This is known as point A. Okay, now moving on to the next definition, that is line segment. First we will see line segment and then I'll explain you what is line. So as the name suggests, it is line segment. So खाली segment नहीं लिखा है, क्या लिखा है? Line segment लिखा है. So here only I will say that line segment is a part of line because line segment लिखा है ना. Okay, so let's start with the definition. A part of line. This line statement I already justified. Okay, it is a part of line that has two end points. Okay, now this dot or this point represent that there is a end point. जब भी dot होता है ना तो क्या होता है, वो end points होते हैं. So it is a line and having it is a part of a line and it has two end points, and if it has end points means you can measure it. Yes, it will have a definite length, it will have a definite measurement, that is known as a line segment. So line segment के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? First of all, वो एक part of line होता है और उसके पास two ends point होते हैं. If it is having end points, you will be able to measure it. Fine. Now what is line then? Line, students, first of all I want you to observe carefully what is the difference between the two geometrical figure, here and here. Yes, I know you got the difference. It's having dots or it's having points, and here line is having arrows. So arrows देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि this arrow will extend right hand side and this arrow will extend left hand side. मतलब ये आगे राइट साइड जाता ही जाएगा और ये आगे लेफ्ट साइड जाता ही जाएगा. और अगर ये जाता ही जाएगा दोनों साइड, तो मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि इट विल हैव नो डेफिनेट मेजरमेंट्स. आप इसको मेजर कैसे करोगे? बिकॉज ये राइट साइड बढ़ता ही जा रहा है और ये लेफ्ट साइड भी बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. सो लाइन विल नॉट हैव डेफिनेट मेजरमेंट. तो हम कैसे इसको मेजर करेंगे? इसके लिए we will have a line segment in the line. See, you can name, sorry, I forgot to tell you, line segment I am naming it as dot A and dot B. Now, if I have a dot A and I write here dot B and I join it, it will be line segment. Okay, point A and point B. And if I joined it, it will be line segment. Now line segment, I can name it as line segment AB. Fine. Now coming to our point, I told you that it will extend, but how you will measure the line? Because if I tell you draw a line of 5 centimeter, okay, so how you will do it? You cannot do that because line will have no fixed measurements. So we will name line as line segments. See, I'll do dots A and B. So this will be 5 centimeter and this you will extend it. Fine. Now this all technical terms you will study in the further standard also. If you don't understand, don't worry. Just for your knowledge I am telling you. Okay. Now What is line first of all? A straight path on a plane. Line क्या होनी चाहिए? Straight होनी चाहिए. It should not be curved. Okay. Now see, I have drawn here a curved path. Path मतलब रास्ता, curved रास्ता है. So is this a line? No, this is not a line. It should be straight. Fine. And it should extend in both directions with no end points. This I already justified. It should not have an end point. It should extend. Okay. It is known as a line. So this is line AB. Fine. Now what is ray? Now ray is a line segment. First statement क्या है? वो एक line segment है. So ray is a part of line segment and line segment is a part of line. So ray and line segment is a part of line. Yes, ray is a line segment extended indefinitely in one direction. रे क्या है? वो एक्सटेंड होता है बट वो खाली एक डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड होता है और एक साइड तो उसका एंड पॉइंट होता है. दैट मीन्स दिस रे विल एक्सटेंड इन द राइट हैंड साइड ओनली. सो लेट्स नेम इट रे ए. Fine. So these are the terms point, line, line segments and ray. Okay. Now moving on to the new topic, that is polygon. Now students, in the previous video we saw closed figure. What is a closed figure? जिसके end close होते हैं. And what is a simple closed figure? The figure which is not having the lines interchanging or overlapping each other, crisscrossing each other is known as simple closed figure. So कोई भी simple closed figure वो polygon होता है. But उसके लिए line segments होनी चाहिए. See, line segments. So what are line segments? This is a line segment AB. Okay. So polygon एक simple closed figure होना चाहिए और उसमें line segments होनी चाहिए. But कितनी line segments होनी चाहिए? 3 or more line segments. That is known as polygon. I think polygon you have heard for the first time. Yes, the word is new for you. So let's start. Let's have a closed figure and let's have a line segment. So this is a line segment I have drawn and I will name it A and B. Here there is a end point. Okay, so AB is a one line segment. This is the other line segment. Let me name it B and C. And then the third line segment, that is C and A. Now this is a closed figure and it is having 3 line segments. So मेरी polygon की definition satisfy हो रही है. So triangle, this is a triangle, you know that, and I know that, sorry, triangle तो आपको पता ही है, but triangle is one of the polygon. Okay, because I'm using 3 line segments. But let's have more polygon. Triangle, I will erase one line segment and we will have other line segment. Now let's name it C and D. So I am having 1, 2, 3 line segment. But this is a polygon or not? क्या? Is it a polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Because polygon होने के लिए 2 conditions satisfy होनी चाहिए. एक तो वो simple closed curve figure होना चाहिए. This is a closed figure or not? No, this is opening here and this is ending here. ये close नहीं है. So it is not a polygon. So let's close it and here we go. We have a polygon that is known as trapezium. Okay, that you don't have to study in detail. Okay, this is a polygon because it is a simple closed figure and it is having 3 or more. More मतलब 4 भी हो सकते हैं, 5 भी हो सकते हैं, 6 भी हो सकते हैं line segments. Okay, so this is a polygon and we will name it, this is known as ABCD polygon. And this A is a corner wherein 2 line segment is meeting. A क्या है? एक corner है. So corner को हम क्या कहेंगे? Vertex. This is vertex A or corner A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. The corners. Fine. And these are the sides. This तो you know. Side AB, side BC, CD and AD. These are the sides and these are the vertex. Okay, now moving on to a detailed study of polygon. Now poly means many and gon means angle. Poly means many angles होने चाहिए. Okay, so that is known as polygons. Now polygons can be of many types. because 3 or more line segments. So 3 line segments you have triangle, and for more you have other types. Now if you have 3 sides, that is tri. Tri means 3. So if you have 3 sides, it is a triangle. Triangle is a polygon. And if you have 4 line segments or 4 sides, it is known as quadrilateral. If you have 5 lines, it is known as pentagon or penta. 5 मतलब penta means 5. So जो भी figure 5 sides वाला है उसे क्या कहेंगे? Pentagon. And if you have 6 sides, that is hexa. Hexa means 6. So the figure having 6 sides is known as hexagon, and octagon will have 8 sides. Octa means 8. Have you will remember octopus देखा है ना, उसके कितने legs होते हैं? 8 legs. Fine. So octagon will have 8 sides. So these are all the polygons. Okay. Now you must be having a question in your mind कि मैम ने तो रेक्टेंगल भी नहीं लिया है और स्क्वायर भी नहीं लिया है, वो कौन लेगा? सर्कल भी नहीं लिया है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सर्कल इज नॉट अ पॉलीगॉन, बिकॉज पॉलीगॉन होने के लिए लाइन सेगमेंट होता है और सर्कल में कोई स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं होता, सर्कल में तो कर्व लाइन होता है. सो सर्कल इज नॉट अ पॉलीगॉन. एंड रही बात रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर की, उसके कितने साइड्स होते हैं? उसके 4 साइड्स होते हैं. यस. So this rectangle and square will be included in quadrilaterals. So in this standards you will study triangle, that is a star mark I have given, and you will study quadrilateral. ये सारा study नहीं करना है. This will be in your higher standards. Okay. So we are going to see what? Triangle and quadrilaterals. Fine. Now moving on to the detailed study of quadrilaterals. Quad means 4 sides. Yes. So quadrilateral, let's have some example. Now square or rectangle, you can have many figures with 4 sides. See, this is a square, this you know, this is a rectangle, this also you know. Now these all figures are just for your knowledge. You don't have to study in detail. Okay. This is also having a 4 side, but it is known as parallelogram. This is having 4 side, it is known as rhombus. This is known as trapezium or trapezoid. Okay, this is also having a 4 side. And kite is also having a 4 side. So किसी भी close figure के 4 sides होते हैं तो उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Quadrilaterals. Fine. Now let's study in detail square and rectangle. Only these 2 parts you will study. Okay. Now quadrilaterals will have 4 sides, and let's have one rectangle. And what is this? This is a square. Okay, now let's name it A, B, C and D. So I can say this is rectangle A, B, C, D. Now see students, the corners always you have to represent by capital letters and not the small letters. Now square P, Q, R, S is the name of the square. Okay, so we are having rectangle and square here, that are quadrilaterals. Now you know the properties of rectangle. What are the properties of rectangle? Yes, it will have the opposite sides will be equal, if you know that. Fine. That is AB और CD का जो length है ना वो equal होगा. So opposite sides will be equal. That is AB will be equal to CD. Now see, this is AB side and this is CD side. Okay. And if they are same, I will put the same symbol. See, like this. ये क्या डिनोट कर रहा है? ये डिनोट कर रहा है कि AB और CD सेम है, सेम इन द लेंथ. ओके. एंड देन BC, AD and BC will be the same length. This vertical wala. Okay. Now I will have the same symbol. See, 2 lines and here are also 2 lines. It means that AD and BC are same and AB and DC are same. So opposite sides are equal. Okay. This you have to have representation. Same symbol डालना है. Okay. Now for the square PQRS, what is the property of square? Yes. Square will have equal sides. All the sides will be equal for square. So what I will do is PQ, this is PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS, and that is equal to SP. Okay, so all four sides are equal and I will denote it by same figure. See, I have done all the same markings on four sides. This means that even if I don't write all sides equal and I show you this figure, it means that PQ, QR, RS and SP are of same length, same sides. Fine. So we saw polygon, polygon के अंदर we saw quadrilateral and quadrilateral के अंदर we saw square and